Oh. Why hello there! While I was editing my darkFlash DS900 PC case video, go ahead and pause this video to watch that if you'd like. I'll be here when you're done. darkFlash contacted me asking if I'd like to have a look at their new power supply, the DG850. Naturally I said yes, as I thought having a PSU housed in a case by the same company would make for good content, and it would also be cool to see how their own parts interacted with each other. So here it is, the darkFlash DG850 power supply. Let's have a look at it, shall we? Welcome to the middle of nowhere. Since I have no real way of testing how good or bad a PSU is, today's video will be an overview of the DG850. In other words,
just the facts, ma'am.
The DG series is a new set of ATX power supplies by darkFlash, and you can choose from either a 750 watt model or an 850 watt one. Although on their non-US site, 1050 and 1250 watt models are also available. The DG lineup is ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 compliant with a native 12V 2x6 connector on the unit, and comes with a reinforced 12V 2x6 cable capable of absorbing 200% transient power spikes. It's fully modular, allowing you to pick and choose which cables to connect according to your needs. Speaking of cables, the DG850 uses embossed flat cables which are soft and bendable, perfect for cable routing through tight spaces. Other cables included with the DG850 are your 24-pin motherboard cable, two 4+4-pin CPU cables, the aforementioned 12V 2x6 cable for your GPU, three PCIe 6+2-pin cables, two SATA cables, one SATA and Molex combo cable, and finally one Molex cable. I'm unsure why darkFlash is calling the Molex power cable IDE, probably because these have typically been plugged into IDE hard drives or devices in the past. One cable I did forget to mention is, of course, the wall cable that plugs from your PSU to the wall, because that's, it's in the name.
It's in the game.
And it measures almost 5 feet, or roughly 1.5 meters. Also in the box, you'll receive some additional accessories, which include 3 cable ties, 4 screws to attach the PSU to your case, and a quick installation guide. One thing you might notice about this power supply is its compact size. Shrinking down from the 160mm length of your typical 850 watt ATX power supply, the DG850 measures 140mm long, 150mm wide, and 86mm tall. This smaller size will let you fit the PSU into a wider variety of cases and should make cable management easier, especially if your method of management is to shove any excess cables into the basement and call it a day. As for technical specs, the DG PSU is 80+ gold certified and comes with a 5-year warranty. The fan inside cooling the components is 120mm in size and is a hydrodynamic bearing or HDB fan. The intake grill is a series of unrestricted bars, and the rear exhaust area is marked by a tried and true honeycomb pattern. If you're looking for a PSU that comes with protection, the DG850 has 7 forms of it, including overvoltage protection, overcurrent protection, overload protection, no load protection, short circuit protection,
I feel alive!
Overheat protection, and undervoltage protection. It also has protection circuits to keep your system safe. Finally, the DG850 uses a half-bridge LLC plus DC-to-DC internal topology or circuit design. This means the power supply uses a 2-stage, well-engineered conversion process rather than one crude stage to turn wall power into computer power. The practical benefits to you are less energy wasted as heat, so the PSU runs cooler and quieter, and your electric bill is lower, and we could all use some lower bills. You'll also have more stable voltages, which will give you a less risk of random crashes or component stress under heavy load like gaming, and generally better durability and lifespan of the parts inside the PSU itself. In short, it's a fancier, more efficient, more stable internal design that you'll also find in more expensive higher-end power supplies. If you want to learn more about this topic, I've linked a Cadence article by Kirsch Mackey in the description. It breaks down the main ways power supplies convert electricity from basic designs up to the LLC Resonant setup, which is the more efficient, advanced approach. It's a solid deep dive if you want to nerd out on why some PSUs run cooler and quieter than others. Finally, let's talk about the price. At the time that this video was recorded, the DG850 and 750 watt models are priced to move at an affordable $75 and $65 respectively. This is a very good price for a fully modular 80 plus gold power supply that also boasts enough power to take on some of the most demanding components. And let's face it, we need to save money wherever we can so we can have enough left over to buy those ridiculously priced RAM kits, storage drives, and GPUs. And that's all I have to say about the DG850 power supply by darkFlash. What do you think of it? Let me know by leaving a comment down below. If you're interested in this power supply or the 750 watt version, I've put links in the description. They are affiliate links, so any purchase using them will garner me a small commission. While you won't be charged anything extra for it, anything I earn will greatly help the channel. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Leave any questions or comments you have about the DG850 power supply or about PC building in general. You're right there. We're gonna rewind a little bit. Leave any questions or comments you have about the DG850 power supply or about PC building in general down below. Hit that like button if you liked the video and help the channel grow by getting subscribed. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any future content. I'm Seth, this is Baron, and we'll see you next time in the middle of nowhere. I love you.